Hey Sky, back to Engineering Art channel. Today we are talking about computational design quick overview. We have 3 items we're gonna talk about. Number 1 is key benefits. Number 2, software solutions. Number 3, how it works. Firstly, go to item number 1, key benefits. Computational design have a lot of benefits, but I will list down 4 key benefits about it. Benefit number 1 is explore multiple design options. Benefit number 2 is take advantage of data. Number 3, automate repetitive tasks. And number 4 is test your design and how it really works. For the explore multiple design option, I will show you how it works. For example, here, because computational design will use the input parameter data to design your option. For example, you will change the parameter and your design will be changed simultaneously. For example, here. So every single time when I change the parameter, my design, especially ground beam and the footing, will be changed simultaneously. And that's how we can explore multiple design options. And for taking advantage of data, you can use the data for taking of the quantity or visualize your data, or you can use it for the next design stage. For example, structure analysis. Now we will go to the item number 2 is software solution. We got 2 powerful computational design software solutions such as Rhino, Grasshopper, and Dynamo. With Dynamo, we can use it for Revit. Meanwhile, Grasshopper you can connect with Tekla, Revit, and structural analysis software such as Tekla Structure Designer and ETABS, for example. And now we will talk about item number 3 is how it works. In order to apply computational design, you gotta have number 1 is design software such as Tekla, Revit, structure analysis software like Tekla Structure Designer, ETABS, etc. And the second is the computational design tool such as Grasshopper and Dynamo. And number 3 is the plugin, corresponding plugin to connect with the main design software. For example, here we are using Tekla Structure and Grasshopper to collaborate together. So I will have the Tekla Structure for the main design software, and the second is computational design tool is the Rhino, Grasshopper, and the 3 is the plugin. The plugin here, I use the Tekla 2020 plugin Tekla Grasshopper Lib link. You can find it in the Tekla warehouse and download it to connect with Tekla. So that is a quick overview about computational design. For the next video, we would get started with computational design, especially Grasshopper with other software solutions. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.